Well, here we are at LRM Live 2026 at the Three Counties Showground in the Malvern Hills.
And what better place to start than at our main event sponsors, Optima. Should we go and have a look around?
Let's go. And of course, a show wouldn't be a show without all of the campers that choose to camp and spend their weekend in the Malvern Hills.
Here I am in the arena at LRM Live. We've had all sorts going on in here today. We've had the welcome parade, we've had Readers Rovers, falconry, sheepdog trials, and of course, the ever popular Car Carnival.
New for 2026 was Boom Racing's miniature scaled down off-road course, and what a fantastic exhibit it has been. We've seen some awesome scale Land Rovers here, and for many this is where it starts. So as we walk around the Three Counties Showground, there is a huge array of clubs, from anything from Series 1 to Expedition and off-road clubs alike. What a fantastic experience this is. So over the weekend, we've been doing LRM Live podcasts right here in the beer tent. And we've had some brilliant guests on. We've had Russ from Defenders and Simon from Powerful UK. We've had Helen Tate Wright from the Dakar Classic Land Rover Rally. We've had none other than Nick Dimbleby, Land Rover's official photographer, and many other guests. Where have you been? I've got you a beer.
Oh, that's music to my ears, Steve. I've been in the arena hosting all day.
It has certainly been a full-on day.
It really has, but what a great weekend.
We've had sunshine and showers. We've had all the weathers, but it hasn't dampened the spirits of the Land Rover people.
Absolutely not. I think a lot of happy faces over this weekend. A lot of people just absolutely loving the atmosphere, soaking in all the Land Rover goodness.
But it all starts with a sponsor, and that has got to be a massive thank you to Optima this year. Once again, headline sponsors for the LRM Live 4x4 Tyres awards, always great.
Yeah, we really like surprising people with the awards, and they certainly were surprised this year. There's a real range of people that got one, and yeah, massive thanks to 4x4 Tyres for sponsoring that.
And our classic insurance sponsor, Holden's, been in the arena. In fact, they won an award.
Yes, indeed. Ian from Holden's took away the special award for, well, just being an all-round legend, really. And of course, finally, our arena sponsor, Britpart. Can't forget them. Thank you ever so much to Britpart for sponsoring the arena this year. Loads and loads of people around watching the action. And yeah, cracking weekend all round, I think.
I think that sums it up. We cannot wait to host you again next year, back in the Malvern Hills Three Counties Showground. And I think that's a cheers for now.